This is the Champion RK-7C-125 vacuum breaker repair kit for the 1.25" atmospheric vacuum breakers. Now in the kit, it'll come with your gasket set, so your red fiber gasket and the rubber gasket. It's also going to come with the float. That float will have that fixed rubber seal right down here at the bottom. And we can go ahead and get a couple dimensions of each of the parts included with the kit, starting with the fiber gasket. We're going to do an outer diameter. So outer diameter is going to be just over about 2¼ inches, so right at about 2 3/8. And then inner diameter, going to put us right at 2 inches. And then the rubber gasket, I'm going to try my best not to bend it or pinch it. Outer diameter going to be right at 2¼ with an inner diameter of right at 2 inches as well. And then coming to our float, going to do an outer diameter here at the base or bottom. And that's going to be right at about 1 7/8 inches. And then total height, going to be right just shy of 1 7/8. Almost right at 2 inches. And then on the back of this little slip of paper that will come with the kit, you're going to have a little picture breakdown showing the valve, how the parts go, where they're assembled, as well as a little list of the parts that come with the kit. And once again, this is the Champion RK-7C-125 vacuum breaker repair kit.